हेलो व्यूअर्स एंड वेलकम टू रेडियो द्वारकाज एमएसएमई स्टार्स। जैसे आप सबको पता है, हमारा ये प्रोग्राम आप लोगों को हर बार एक नए एंटरप्रेन्योर से या फाउंडर से मिलाता है। द प्रोग्राम आइडिया इज एक्चुअली टू ब्रिंग टू यू पीपल फ्रॉम वेरियस एरियाज, वेरियस फील्ड्स एंड फ्रॉम वेरियस लोकेशंस। आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे ही फाउंडर हैं जो आई थिंक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। उनका जो वेंचर है वो हम सबके दिल के काफी करीब है। हम रोज पिक्चर्स देखते हैं, टीवीज देखते हैं, सीरियल्स देखते हैं, पर क्या आपने सोचा है कभी कि आप अपने इस प्यार को कैसे एक बिजनेस आइडिया बना सकते हैं? आज हम आपको ऐसे ही एक फाउंडर से मिलाते हैं। So today we have with us Benjamin Jacob. He is a software engineer and was in corporate for a couple of years, but then his love for films actually made him turn into an entrepreneur. So hi Ben, how are you doing?
Hi Ruchi, I'm all good. How are you doing?
Good. It's really nice to have you on our show. And you know, as I introduced, I think that love for films that you've actually all of us have, I'm really interested to understand that what is your venture about? You know, how does this love of yours turn into this entrepreneurial side of yours? So my first and straight question is going to be about your venture, which is called Filmapia. So what is really Filmapia?
Okay. Filmapia is the first of its kind platform in India, which helps filmmakers to explore and book locations for their film shoots. All right. So to viewers who are not familiar with how it all works, right? Every film, there is a location that is required. So we provide that location. And the difference over here, where we have started the business, is these locations are nothing but properties that regular people like you and me have, like your house, your office, your restaurant, factory, or any property for that matter. If a filmmaker likes it, we enlist those properties on our web portal. And if a filmmaker likes it, we get the shoot done at your place and you get very, very good money for that. I'll tell you about the money part of it a little later. But that's what it is. A platform for filmmakers to explore and locations for the film shoots, where these locations nothing but your own properties.
ओके एंड बेन, जैसे आपने शायद मुझे बताया था कि आपने ये सिर्फ रैंडमली स्टार्ट कर लिया था, शायद आपने ये सोचा नहीं था शायद ये इतना बड़ा बन जाएगा। तो क्या आप हमें ये बताएंगे कि ये स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ था?
Right. So I think you mentioned, right, कि हम सभी को we really love our movies, and we personally love movies and traveling. So back then in 2009, 2008 and so on, that era में, whenever we used to watch movies and we see a beautiful place, both me and my partner would wonder, where is this shot, right? So this question kept on repeating. And then one final day, I decided, okay, maybe instead of asking that question, let's answer that question. And we started researching, and then we tried to create a hobby website where we started recording. This movie was shot here. For example, Sholay. Sholay has been shot on the outskirts of Bangalore. So us being in Bangalore, it was very much accessible. So we went there, took photographs where Gabbar was standing and all that. So वो सारा कुछ किया, and we started collecting that information. In fact, some of the pictures that I shared with you, where we have gone to Kolar, which is probably a few hundred kilometers from here, we were very surprised that Kayamat se Kayamat Tak, that movie, all of us loved, right?
USQT, as it is known.
Exactly. USQT. So that movie was shot, a major part of it was shot in Kolar. So when the photos that I shared, in fact, you see, we went there, we took our photographs in that same location or in that same pose. And that's how we try to enjoy our love for movies and travels and try to record that. And that library kept on growing, where we recorded so many movies of different languages, not just from India, even from abroad as well, Iranian movies, Hollywood movies, British movies, and so on and so forth. So over a period of time, this library kept on growing, and we were thinking like, kya karna chahiye? What could be the next step? So a very evident thing is we try to do tours around these locations, saying, "Hey, bhai, Shah Rukh Khan yahan ghume the. So maybe you would also want to be interested in going in this locations and singing to your Simran or whatever, right?" We tried that. We tried a few bicycle tours on the outskirts of Bangalore, like that, Sholay locations ke liye, vagera, vagera. But that didn't really take off much. And then, we kept on working on this library for years, along with our full-time jobs. And then slowly filmmakers starting reaching out to us, asking us, they saw some locations of different movies and they asked us whether we can help them shoot in those locations. Then we discovered this, there's something known as location scouting for films. ऐसा कुछ होता भी है. And then as we researched into it, and we saw that there's a huge gap in how locations are sourced, the number of options given, the number of options available are not enough in the market right now, in the industry right now. And also the way they are conducted was also not very good. So we saw a huge opportunity and saying maybe this is something that we can do, right? And that's how the business side of Filmapia started, where we started giving locations for these film shoots, be it locations like a public place, like a road, like a park, or private places like a house, right? So we discovered this very niche gap, saying that private properties are बहुत ज़्यादा requirements and people are not able to really service that. And that's how we started our business. From hobby business.
That's nice. बहुत सही. And Ben, जैसे आपने बताया, I think because you need locations and definitely the film guys need locations. So can any one of us upload? So if I feel that, I'm not going to, I want my house to, have a shooting, I've never seen a shooting, and maybe my house can really be that picturesque view place. Or maybe I have a farmhouse and I can give that on a place. So can I kind of reach out to you, and क्या मैं अपना घर दिल्ली में हो, चाहे कश्मीर में हो या कहीं पर भी हो, आपको बता सकती हूँ, और क्या आप लोग उसे यूज कर सकते हैं अगर जरूरत पड़े तो?
Exactly, that's exactly how it works. So any location, any house that you have, any farmhouse that you have, even if you are interested, even your bike, even your car can be used prop in films. So yeah, you can upload them, visit our website filmapia.com, and you can upload them, your property on the website, and it will be listed. And if a filmmaker likes it, we will get the shoot done at your place, and you get the good money from that.
Okay. I think ये money वाला समझना पड़ेगा, because I think you're exciting people with that money factor.
So the money part, yes. So that was one of the reasons which got us excited, saying because of the amounts involved, the market size is also huge. In India, it could be a $1 billion industry in itself for the locations. So yes, for us individuals, the money is very good. For example, I'll just give you a sort of an analogy between the rentals, right? If you have a house on rent, or if you're living on rent, the rent that you pay per month can be earned back probably in a shoot of 1 or 2 days. That's it. 1 या 2 दिन मेहनत करो, बाकी महीने फ्री में रहो घर पे. That's the kind of money involved.
Okay. So Ajay, I think since you've talked of this journey and you have been in this space for more than 10 years now, as you said, कोई ऐसा एक इंसिडेंट जो आपको मतलब अभी भी याद होगा और आप सोचते होंगे कि यार अच्छा हुआ कि उसने मुझे या तो कुछ सिखाया या इस वजह से आई एम हियर, or anything that you want to kind of share with our people?
Absolutely. I think there have been many such incidents, but one incident and one particular project sort of stays right at the top of a list, of a favorite list, was we managed to do the music launch of Farhan Akhtar's movie Lucknow Central in Yerwada Prison Jail in Pune. Okay, now Yerwada Jail is a high security zone. You're not really allowed to get in with easily, just like that, especially outsiders and film guys. So definitely nahi, right? Our client wanted to get this music launch done in a prison, and they tried many people who could get them inside, but they didn't really get there. And they finally reached out to us, and we काफी मेहनत लगी, काफी time लगा to get into that, to talk to the authorities and all that. And finally, we managed to get the entire team, the music launch done inside Yerwada Prison Jail in front of 4,000 prisoners. It was a massive event with Farhan Akhtar, Ravi Kishan, Deepak Dobriyal, all these guys, and the prison authorities themselves. It was a fabulous. It's literally a feather in our cap, right? So that, because of the level of difficulty in getting in that kind of location, and as ordinary folks, first of all, हम लोग जाना नहीं चाहेंगे prison में, right? Secondly, जाना there is a level of interest.
जेल का नाम सुनते ही डर लगता है, I think.
But देखने का मन करता है, right? As ordinary people, we can't really get in. But because of this business, we are able to get into such exquisite and exotic locations that normal people can't get into. So that's the best part of our business that I personally love. We get to go to these really exotic, beautiful भी हो सकता है, non beautiful भी हो सकता है, but they're all absolutely interesting locations.
Oh, that's nice. That's really a great incident, and I'm sure you get to meet so many people every time you're doing this, Okay. So Ben, you are a software engineer, right? And you've worked in corporate career for around 10, 12 years before you really got into this for the next stint of your life. So, how has that experience, or maybe being a software engineer, has that been beneficial in this field, or what is your view on it?
So yes, so I've had 15 years of software engineering experience, and Ivy is from, my partner is from the mining industry, around 15, 16 plus years in various roles. This experience has definitely shaped us, in fact, one of the key reasons why we have been able to make a difference in this industry. The way locations are sourced, as I mentioned, is done in a very manual and chaotic way. All right, there's no structure to it. There are a few individuals, जैसे ticketing, bus tickets पहले हुआ करते थे, right? There were agents, ticket agents हुआ करते थे, and they would have sell you tickets. उनके दुकान पे जाओ, tickets लो. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी film locations में होता है. There are guys known as location managers or line producers who have their own secret database of locations, and they like keep it very secretly guarded, right? Because that's their rosy roti. So there's a lot of opaqueness to the entire process, and chaos, of course, because pata nahi kab aapko, as a filmmaker, you don't know when you'll get the options, if they are logical enough, logistically they are good enough or not, are they expensive, and so on and so forth. So this chaos is what we are trying to solve, and that solution comes from our corporate experience, where in my industry, software industry, you had to have a plan, right? You had to go through a certain process for any project. So we try to bring that experience of process driven systems and put this into this chaotic world of locations and filmmaking, right? So we also have processes, right? When you take a location from us, this is how it should be. These are the rules that you should follow. And filmmakers ke liye, it's because it's all online. There's a process how they get in touch with us, go shoot at those locations, and so on and so forth. So the experience in the software industry of systematically and approaching a problem in a process driven way, that has definitely helped us and have an advantage over the rest of the current way of doing things in locations. So it's always useful.
I agree. I think I can vouch for it, because definitely what you get in, or what you learn over the years definitely shows out in the way you kind of doing things. So yeah. Exactly. Okay. So Ben, just one really a last question, seeing the time, I guess. I want to know some kind of a, advice or mantra that you follow and you would want the youngsters to really look at it or learn from it, or maybe imbibe it. If you can share yours to them.
Sure. I think one thing for the youngsters who are thinking about things, who are just setting out in the world, I've heard this from a lot of my friends as well, and a lot of youngsters as well, saying, I don't know where to start. I don't have any ideas, and so forth. So one suggestion from my side, from what I have learned in my life so far, is you think about a problem, and a lot of us just stop at that problem, right? Saying, yeah, problem, what do? I don't know what. But if you just delve on it a bit more and you just go beyond that question, there lies glory. An example would be us in here, in this case, like locations kahan pe? We all think, where is this shot? And we answered that question, and then this is where we are, business, right? So you go beyond that question, there is glory. That's for budding guys who are just starting out. And for entrepreneurs or who are trying their own ventures, the few things that we think work for us is persistence. You got to be at it, right? That's definitely taken us to where we are. And consistency, right? So not just to be at it, but to be it on a daily basis,
regular
on
basis,
every weekly basis. And speed. So persistency, consistency, and speed is what takes any venture places.
Okay, thanks. And I think really that they are the three magic words, which I think is important in anything that you do. So thanks for sharing. when it was really a nice conversation. I'm sure कि ये काफी लोग देख के इन्हें inspire होंगे. And as you said, maybe people will want to look forward to kind of joining with you. So as you said, people can log on to filmapia.com and find out more about yourself and your venture. And to all our viewers, I hope you've liked this conversation. And हम आपको ऐसे ही एंटरप्रेन्योर से मिलवाते रहेंगे और आपको बताते रहेंगे कि हमारे देश में और क्या चल रहा है और क्या क्या नई चीजें आ रही हैं. So thanks for watching. And if you're not a subscriber of Radio Dwarka, please feel free to join us and subscribe to our channel and keep connected. Thank you.